Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you what to do if the Wi-Fi is not working on TCL 605. So, first things first, go into the quick settings, into the Wi-Fi, disable and enable once again. Then go to more settings. Click the gear next to the connected Wi-Fi, disconnect and then forget. Now click on it once again and type in the password. If it's still not working, then try to restart your phone and the router, but I don't have access to the router right now, so I won't show it to you, but you can find the video of how to do it on our channel. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.